Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Jamaica's international singing reggae artist Siccature Alock, aka Jah Cure, returns to the Dutch courts to see if he will stay behind these prison walls. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier reporting for Deep Roots TV. Authorities in the Netherlands have confirmed on Wednesday that following a pro forma hearing days early, a judge ruled to keep Jah Cure, real name Siccature Alock, in detention. As a result of the ruling, Jah Cure, whose real name Siccature Alock, will continue serving 6-year sentence in a Netherlands prison for attempting manslaughter. Unhappy with the court did not find Jah Cure guilty of attempted murder and only attempted manslaughter, Netherlands authorities said previously they would lodge an appeal to the Court of Appeals to challenge the acquittal of attempted murder. Regarding the next court hearing, the authorities in Netherlands revealed there's another pro forma hearing planned for January 24th, 2023, while the case is being prepared for the actual trial. As to where Jah Cure is being held during this time and condition of the facility, a representative from the authorities of Netherlands said, "Due to the privacy law, I cannot disclose any information on the representation of the suspect of the specific facility, location where the suspect is incarcerated." On October 1st, 2021, if you remember, people, Jah Cure was arrested in Amsterdam after stabbing a music producer or promoter, I should say, in the stomach. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison with credit for time served for attempted manslaughter, March 2022. The Jamaican recording artist is known for his hit song Longing For, Love Is, and True Reflection. You know, the one where them call Behind These Prison Walls, when they right now, where people like him to be, because it seem like him have a problem. His hit album 2015 album The Cure, which include the song That Girl, Rasta, and Life We Live, earned him a Grammy nomination album for Best Reggae Album for the year. So when him get whole in the Netherlands, him thinks that the judge didn't make him superstar status overwhelm him. So he actually had the audacity to ask the judge if he knew who he was. Which of course, the judge not listen to them kind of music there and said no. And he had the audacity, the propensity, the gall, the guts, the servitude to actually tell the judge to look him up. So right now, people are trying to find out where Jah Cure there. Them dash him where in the Dutch country. Because the Dutch courts has just said they're going to continue Jah Cure incarceration. Nobody no know where in there. So, the world international superstar, the world international heartthrob that committed a crime that landed him behind the prison walls, seems to have reduplicated the act, and the same nonsense gets you the same thing. So when you're looking for Jah Cure, remember when there, he's behind these prison walls, counting his paces, I'm sure they're not counting senses. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, hit the red subscribe button and listen to me, cousin.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
You hear what they say? Welcome to Deep Roots TV. A free youths TV. Yeah, don't try to be me, just free me. Subscribe, like, and share to Deep Roots TV. And remember, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, I'm red, green, and gold. That means I'm bolder. More life and more joy. Yeah, more happiness. Stay blessed, my family. Yeah, guarantee.